Yeah. There's a lot of work today.
Yes, boss. Oh! Oh no! What's going on? Oh!
Help! Ow! This is hilarious!
I can't get out of here. I'm stuck.
This is so funny. Come on, you can do better than that, purple unicorn. Huh? Hi, Rhinotrucks.
Johnny, I need help. I am with Bob, and we're completely stuck in mud at the construction site. We need help.
Oh no, sounds bad. I'm going to send you some help.
Oh, thanks.
Hiya, Johnny. What's the mission?
You have to help Rhino and Bob at the construction site, but Vicky's around, so be careful.
All right, I'll take care of it.
Somebody help me!
Vicky, stop right now!
But wait! Help us, Bulldozer!
Huh? Oh. Bob, are you ready? Well, I'll take that as a yes. Looks like I've caught a big fish.
I'm finally out of that nasty mud. Thanks, Bulldozer.
Your turn. Oh? Yeah. Come on! Get out of the mud!
Thanks, pal.
You're welcome. And now it's time to catch Vicky.
No! Stop making fun of me!
Hello? Vicky, stay put!
I don't think so.
Oh, come on! But I'm not gonna let you escape this time.
Oh, well, thanks!
Leave me alone, you mechanical bull!
That's not going to stop me, Vicky.
All right, you might have more fun with this.
Oh no! I am the best!
See you around, mechanical bull. Hi, Bulldozer. All good?
I'm having a bit of trouble catching Vicky.
Don't worry. Activating power up.
Ugh, perfect. Let's go. Ah. Ugh. Yeah, come on! Aha!
Huh?
Vicky, stop right now!
No way!
Vicky, listen to me! You gotta stop right now!
Never!
Ugh.
No, 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 no! Ah!
It's not so funny now, is it, Vicky?
Oh no! Why always me?